let me show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos or posts. Now, if you wanted to go in and see a deleted video and you want to restore it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's hop out of the TikTok app and start over again. Just open it up on your iPhone, Android. It works the exact same. Now, from here, let's tap on Profile at the bottom right. Let's say on one of these videos you deleted it, but you want to get it back onto your profile. You can do that by getting into your settings. So tap on the three lines at the top right, and then Settings and Privacy. Now from here, all you need to do is scroll down and all of your activity lives in the Activity Center, including the videos that you've deleted. You can see watch history, comment history, etc. Let's scroll down towards the bottom to Recently Deleted, and this will show you all of those videos. Keep in mind, these are only kept for 30 days. So after 30 days, they're permanently deleted from your account. Now, to restore it, all you need to do is tap on it, and then just tap on Restore, and then Restore. After you've done that, you'll be able to see I can go back to my profile, and I might need to swipe down to refresh, but there is that video that I've restored. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.